In the golden glow of the setting sun, a day so special, second to none. 'Twas the day I met her, pure delight, in the soft embrace of love's sweet light. Her laughter echoed like a melody, a symphony of joy, pure and free. Eyes that sparkled, a captivating gaze, in that moment, time slowed, caught in a daze. Underneath the cerulean sky so clear, her presence whispered, "Come near." A chance encounter, destiny's decree, the day I met her, a gift to me. Heartbeats danced to a rhythm so sweet, as destiny and fate decided to meet. In that serendipitous moment, pure, a tale of love, forever to endure. The day I met her, etched in time, a verse in life's poetic rhyme. Her smile, a sunbeam, warm and bright, I knew in that moment, everything was right.